In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header in Wix. By the end, you'll know how to resize your header, update or replace its content, add a site menu, center everything neatly, fix drop-down behavior, and make your changes live. Start by opening your Wix Editor. Move your mouse to the very top of the page until you see the label that reads header. That's your editable header area. To adjust its height, look for the orange up and down arrow icon, then click and drag. Go slowly so you can find a height that comfortably fits your logo and menu without leaving extra empty space. If your header already has elements, you can edit them directly. Click the logo, text, or menu to modify its settings, replace images, or change fonts and colors. If you want to completely start fresh, select the main container holding those items, often a strip, and delete it. You can press delete on your keyboard or right-click and choose delete. This clears the content inside the header, but keeps the header itself in place. To add new elements like a menu, click the plus button labeled Add Elements on the left. Navigate to Menu and Anchor. Choose a menu style. Horizontal menu is a great default. And drag it into the header area. Make sure you see the prompt that says Attach to Header before you release it. That confirmation ensures your menu stays anchored to the header across your site. To center your menu or logo precisely, make sure the toolbar is visible. If it's not, open the Tools menu and enable Toolbar. Select your element, then in the toolbar, use the alignment icons and choose Center Align. Fine-tune the placement if needed so it sits within the header's margins and doesn't collide with other items. If your menu's drop-down items aren't appearing correctly, select the menu and open the layout settings. Under the drop-down options, choose Flyout instead of having items drop down in columns. Flyout displays sub-menu items cleanly on hover and helps avoid overlapping content or awkward spacing. When you're ready to test, click Preview in the top right. Hover over your menu, open any submenus, and make sure everything looks and behaves as expected. If something's off, go back to the editor to tweak it. Once you're happy, click Save, then Publish to push your updated header live on your site. That's all for this video. If this was helpful, give it a try on your site and refine as you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next